the election campaign heats up here in India, the issue of India's constitution and reservations for backward castes has become the biggest focal point for the BJP and the Congress. Ever since the beginning of this campaign, we've seen the opposition led by Rahul Gandhi telling people that if the BJP comes back to power this time, then it will use its majority to change the constitution and to do away with reservations altogether. Now, this appears to be a messaging that has now got the BJP worried because all of a sudden we are seeing the BJP leadership led by the Prime Minister and other top leaders hammering home the point that no, they are not going to change the constitution. That was never their plan. And that in fact they've now turned the tables on the Congress and are going around telling people in public rallies that the Congress in fact will take away the reservations of backward castes, of Hindu backward castes that is, and then give them to Muslims instead. So they have ended up polarizing this election once again on religious lines. This is a very, very sensitive issue here in India for many reasons. Reservations, in fact, is something that the RSS, the parent organization of the BJP, has historically been against. We also know that the RSS chief back in 2015, just before the Bihar elections, had spoken about doing away with reservations, and that is a comment that backfired on the BJP in Bihar at the time, and it ended up not doing well in those assembly polls. Now the RSS leadership too is at pains to say that it does not want to do away with reservations. So this is clearly, as I said, a sensitive issue, and it'll be interesting to see how it plays out in the weeks ahead. A senior NDA leader told me as much a few days ago, admitting that the opposition's stirring of anxiety over the constitution is a message that seems to have gone down to some of the most backward communities in the country. And that is why the BJP leadership is now going on the counter-offensive.